Good morning. Today, we're analyzing one of the most significant AI investments of 2025, Nvidia's potential $1 billion investment in French AI startup Poolside. This deal represents a major strategic move by the world's first $5 trillion company as it expands its influence across the entire AI ecosystem. The investment deal. The details are substantial. Nvidia plans to invest between $500 million and $1 billion in Poolside as part of a $2 billion funding round that would quadruple the startup's valuation to $12 billion. This isn't just a simple investment, it's a carefully structured deal where Nvidia commits $500 million initially with the potential to double that amount if Poolside hits its fundraising targets. About Poolside AI. So, who is Poolside? Founded just 2 years ago in 2023 by former GitHub CTO Jason Warner and Iso Kant, this Paris-based startup is taking a fundamentally different approach to AI coding. While most coding assistants like GitHub Copilot focus on code completion, Poolside is developing AI models that can autonomously generate entire programs. Their secret sauce is something called reinforcement learning via code execution feedback, essentially training AI by having it actually execute code, encounter errors, debug itself, and learn from the process. They've already secured over $700 million from existing investors before this Nvidia deal. Market context and competition. This investment comes at a time when the AI coding market is heating up significantly. Microsoft's GitHub Copilot currently dominates with over 20 million users across 77,000 enterprises, but Poolside represents a fundamental shift, moving from code assistance to autonomous code generation. While Copilot helps developers write code faster, Poolside aims to create AI that can write complete programs with minimal human intervention. This positions the startup not just as another coding tool, but as a potential platform for enterprise AI development at scale. Nvidia's investment strategy. This deal is part of Nvidia's accelerating investment strategy in the AI space. According to PitchBook data, Nvidia has already invested in 59 AI startups in 2025 alone. That's more than the 55 investments they made in all of 2024. Recent major bets include a planned $100 billion commitment to OpenAI and a $1 billion stake in Nokia. What's particularly strategic about the Poolside investment is that part of the funding will be used to purchase Nvidia's own GB300 chips, creating immediate revenue while building ecosystem loyalty. Strategic implications. Let's break down the strategic implications. First, this creates a virtuous cycle for Nvidia. They invest in promising AI companies who then buy their chips. Second, it expands Nvidia's influence from hardware up through the entire AI development stack. Third, it positions Nvidia to challenge Microsoft's dominance in AI coding tools. And fourth, Poolside's recently announced Project Horizon, a 2-gigawatt AI campus in West Texas, being developed with CoreWeave, signals massive scaling ambitions that align perfectly with Nvidia's infrastructure-focused strategy. Conclusion. In conclusion, this investment represents much more than just financial backing. It's a strategic move to dominate the AI ecosystem beyond hardware. By backing a company focused on autonomous code generation, Nvidia positions itself at the forefront of the next wave of AI development tools. The deal demonstrates Nvidia's commitment to creating an integrated AI stack, from chips to development tools to applications, while generating immediate revenue through strategic partnerships. This signals intensifying competition in the AI coding space and Nvidia's ambition to challenge established players through carefully targeted